Hello guys, welcome back. Happy to help you for second PU statistics subject. So let me start. Just now we finished section A 20 mark from what PU board released. So model 1, model 2, model 3. So now I'm going to revise it for section B 10 mark. So here we have 8 questions are there. You're supposed to write only 5. What I feel, so you're supposed to write 7 and come. Yes, we don't know. So it may multiplication wrong. So while writing statement should be wrong. So we can't say anything. So because of that only, so you people are able to write the extra question. So that is very important. Okay. Now let me go for model 1. So section A. This is time series question. Mention a factor causing following variation in a time series. They're asking causes, not example. Okay. The first one, the seasonal variation. Second one, cyclical variation. What are the causes of seasonal variation? Climate and weather condition, customs, tradition, and habit of the people. These 2 points we are able to write. So we'll get exactly two mark. So similarly, cyclical variation. This is nobody knows. This is an important one. Cyclical variation causes is, noted this one, is very important. Cyclical variation causes is business cycle. So very cyclical variation is nothing but business cycle. So this causes is economic activity. Please note this. Cyclical variation causes is economic activity. Fine. The question number 18. I told you that interpolation, extrapolation out of 4 theory question. Correct? Write down 2 conditions for applying binomial expansion method of interpolation, extrapolation. Yes. First one, the independent variable column, that is y, should have common difference. Second one, the value of x for which the value of y is to be interpolated must be one of the values of x. I repeat, 2 condition of binomial expansion method is, so the independent variable column x should be, x should have common difference. So y1, second one, the value of x for which the value of y is to be interpolated must be one of the values of x. So must be one of the values of x. Okay. Now, third question, question number 19. So remember question number 19. So in a Poisson distribution, P of x equal to 0, that is equal to 0.1225. Write the probability mass function. Oh, probability mass function you're able to write. Where is lambda? Lambda is not here. Okay, open statistical table, all of you. So there is the Poisson distribution table is there. After binomial distribution, there is a Poisson distribution table is there. So in between, set the number. So the number is 0.1225. Where it is? 0.1225, not the nearest number 0.1224 is there. So that is called 2.1. So here first we are able to find using statistical table value, that is 2.1. Open the statistical table. There is a before going to standard normal variate, there is a Poisson distribution next to binomial coefficient. So there is a Poisson distribution. You have to search in between where is 0.1225. Sometime exactly, sometime not exactly. Nearest number is there. So I got 0.1224. That is 2 under 1. So that is 2.1 with the Poisson distribution lambda value. So now we are able to write Poisson distribution PMF. E to the power of minus lambda, lambda to the power of x by x factorial. So x follows 0, 1 to infinity. So P of x is equal to e power minus 2.1, 2.1 to the power of x by x factorial. So x follows 0, 1 to infinity. This is the way to write. Now, Veshri, can you understand this question? Question number 19, all of you. Please remember this one.
Yes, sir.
All of you got lambda 2.1?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. the next question. So what is the next question? Mention two features of student T distribution. I told you yesterday video, chi-square student T, definitely there is a 1-2 mark question. Definite question. Properties also there is a to find mean, median, mode, or variance, whatever. Okay, here question is there from the student T. Mention two features of student T distribution. Yes, first one, the range of student T distribution is 0 less than T less than infinity. First one. Second one, in T distribution, mean is equal to, median is equal to, mode is equal to 0. 2 mark, 2 point. So T lies between 0 to infinity, chi-square minus infinity and infinity. So important one. So next one, define point estimation, interval estimation. This is inference question. So point estimation is it is a single value which is proposed to an estimate unknown parameter. What is interval estimation? It is an interval which is proposed to an estimate unknown parameter is called interval estimation. And question number 22, t-test, they're given here. The formula is t-cal is equal to d bar divided by sd by root n minus 1 follows n minus 1 degrees of freedom. So this is t-test formula. This is comes under inference. D bar is given 3 divided by SD is given 2. So divided by n minus 1. So n minus 1 is root 4. Okay. So 3 divided by 2 divided by 2. So answer is 3 follows 4 degrees of freedom. So answer is 3 follows 4 degrees of freedom. Formula D bar divided by ST by root n minus 1. So similarly, yeah, SQC, look at that. Very simple. They ask X bar prime sigma prime. This is process standards are known or unknown. Anybody say this is known or unknown for SQC? Left side formula, right side formula. They ask UCL. It's completely under left side. So X bar prime plus A sigma prime. Okay. N is equal to 5. So what is A value you want to see? Just a minute. So A value is N is how much? N is 5. So 1.342. 1.342. 1.342. You want to see the statistical table. So therefore, X bar prime is 65 plus A value is 1.342 and sigma prime is 5. Okay, what is the upper control limit answer? So 65 plus 1.342, open bracket, 5 and close bracket. So 71.71. Yes, this is useless. A very simple one. So we pray for God, don't expect for theory question. Practical, it comes very simple, very simple. Okay. So after that, I'll told you last video when we do the section A and section B, the question number 24 also is a practical question. 23, 24 practical come. Students are very happy. Seriously, it's very happy. So this is comes under replacement problem. The equipment of fourth year. So that n is equal to 4 is given. Depreciation cost P minus S of n is given 6,000. Cumulative maintenance cost, that is summation of CI, that is 6,200. In Madbeku, find the average annual cost. Okay, simple one. TAAC is equal to TC divided by N. TC P minus S of N plus summation of CI divided by N. So P minus S of N is 6,000 plus 6,200 divided by 4. Finally, 12,200 divided by 4. 12,200 divided by 4 is 3,050. Yes. So hope for the best. We accept. We pray for God 23rd, 24th. So SQC and OR So same type of question will come. We pray for God. Won't expect for theory question. Very easy to solve it. Yes. So this is for model 1 paper. So section B, 10 mark. So answer any 5 out of 8 questions. So now model 2 paper. Let me select. So model 2 paper. Just a minute. So model 2. Okay. Yeah, guys, screen sharing, right? Yes or no? Can you respond, anyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, now we are in section B, model 2. Interesting. Note that we told you semi-averages method also they can ask you. So be careful. So let's see how it is. So fine. So yeah, here no, here don't want. So 30, 52, 44, 50, 40, 46, 58. Can you check how many origin value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Origin value is always divided by 2. So 7.2. 7.2 nothing but 3.5. Correct? 3.5. So 3.5 nothing but first 3 and last 3. So here middle value left out. So middle value left out. Okay. Now here write it here and here also. We need to write total first. Let me see. 30 plus 52 plus 30 plus 52 plus 44. 126 and divided by 3. Divided by 3, 42. Okay, 3 early moving total and 3 early moving averages. Similarly, 40 plus 46 plus 58, 144. 144. Okay, thank you. So that is 144 divided by 3. So 48. Okay, that's all. So you people are get 2 mark. Definitely. So this much you have to do. That's all. Correct? Okay, next question. So next one. Write two assumption of interpolation, extrapolation. Very simple. So there is no sudden jump in the value of y from one period to another period. And there is a sort of uniformity, whether rise or fall in y column. And one more, there is no sudden jump. Yeah, there is no consecutive missing value in the given series. So that is 18th one. So 19th one, write the Bernoulli distribution with parameter 3 by 5. Guys, note that the tricky question here, Bernoulli distribution, not PMF. 3 divided by 5, 0.6. P is 0.6. Q is 0.4. What is Bernoulli distribution? So we need to prepare 2 column there. Okay. Now, X column, P of X column. So this is P value, Q value, 0.6, 0.4. Finally, sum of sorry, summation P of X is equal to 1. Summation P of X is equal to 1. So this is called the Bernoulli distribution. If the parameter of T distribution is 6, if the parameter of T distribution is 6, that is n is equal to 6. Find standard deviation. Find standard deviation. Anybody formula could you remember? Anyone? So I'll give a time for you. Anyone you should remember. What is the variance of standard deviation? So variance is n
N
divided.
divided by 2.
Very good. Yes. Variance is n divided by n minus 2. But they are standard deviation. Huh? So n divided by n minus 2. What is parameter 6? 6 divided by 6 minus 2 root. So 6 divided by 4. Let me see what is the answer. 6 divided by 4. Root of answer, that is 1.2247. Isn't it? 1.2247 is the answer. Look at that. Important, tricky question they're asking. Okay. That's what I told you. Remember property. Now, two branches of statistical inference. Anybody say? So I told you important question this. One is called theory of estimation. Theory of estimation. Similarly, theory of hypothesis. So these are the branches of statistical inference. This is 1 and 2. Theory of estimation, theory of hypothesis. Now come to 22nd one. Write the chi-square test statistic with degrees of freedom in testing of independence of attribute in 2x2 contingency table. Yes, you write like this, A, B, C, D. So chi-square cal is equal to capital letter N come first. So AD minus BC whole square divided by A plus B. Look at the total, A plus B into C plus D into A plus C. Sorry. B plus D follows 1 degrees of freedom. So I'll be write one more time. So what is the formula? So A, B, C, D are to write because independence 2 into 2 contingency table. First one, chi-square cal is equal to capital letter N plus AD minus BC the whole square. So divided by A plus B, C plus D into A plus C into B plus D. Yes, follows 1 degrees of freedom. Even 1 degrees of freedom also, they can ask 1 mark question. Same question. What is the degrees of freedom in testing of independence of attribute in 2 into 2 contingency table? Definitely they can ask. So this is the formula you should write. Now, 23rd question. Mention 2 type of causes of variation in a manufacturing process. We told you that chance causes of variation, assignable causes of variation. There is the chance causes and assignable causes. Look at the 24th question. I told you there is a practical question comes. So very happy. The formula is Q naught. They ask root of 2R C3 by C1. So that is equal to root of 2 into, oh, this is the unit is that you need to convert 0.50 into 12. 0.50 into 12. How much that shifted? Okay, 2 into R demand 6 into 2 into R into C3, sorry, 100. 100 divided by C1. C1 is how much? Just a minute. Sorry. Let's see. 2 into R is 100. R is 100. Oh, that is also per month. Oh, 100 into 12. So 1200. Okay. So we need to convert it. Month is equal to year. So 2 into 1200 into 2R. C3 how much? C3 is also 100. So divided by C1. So that is 6. Anybody got answer? 2 into 1200 into 100 divided by 6. Then root of that answer. So 200 I got. 200 for year. This is Q naught. So definitely they're gonna ask you for this type of question. Look at that. This is also model 1 because C2 shortage cost is not there in the question. So this is model 2 paper for a 2-mark section. That is called section A. Section B, answer any 5 out of 8. So let me go for model 3. So model 3 paper. Yes, ready. Okay, model 3, section B. Let's see which questions are there. What are the questions are there? Yes. Screen is sharing, right? Can I respond anyone? Okay.
Yes.
State 2 condition of least squares method of measuring trend. Guys, this is very important question. A very, very, very important question this. So all of you remember. So many times the repeated recent year. The first one, summation of y minus y at is equal to 0. Second one, summation of y minus y hat whole square is the least. Is the least. Yes. This is very important question. In textbook, there is a question is that conditions for applying least squares method. Summation y minus y hat is equal to 0. Summation y minus y hat whole square is the least one. Define interpolation, extrapolation. Yes, of course. So interpolation is the technique of estimating the value of y for which the value of x, so which is within the range of series, is called interpolation. Extrapolation is a technique of estimating the value of y for which the value of x, which is outside the range of given series. So that is called extrapolation. So next one, they asked mean. Look at the property, you should know, very simple. So mean is equal to NA divided by A plus B. So how much NA? N is equal to 5, A is equal to 6, divided by A plus B is 10. So 5 into 6, 30. 30 divided by 10, that is equal to 3. Yes, that is equal to 3. The next one, find the variance of chi-square distribution with 8 degrees of freedom. Okay, N is equal to 8. So mean is equal to N. Variance is equal to 2N there. Okay, variance is equal to 2N. So 2 into 8. So variance is equal to 16 is the answer. Variance is equal to 16. Fine. So next question number, inference. Very good. Yes. So inference here, type 1 error. Rejecting H0 when H0 is true. Type 2 error. Accepting H0 when H0 is actually false. That is type 1 error. So yeah, inference question they ask. Yeah, this formula, this is x bar 1 minus x bar 2 divided by root of sigma 1 square by n1 plus sigma 2 square by n2. This is the test statistics of last sample test. Look at this part. It can also be written as standard error of sorry, x bar 1 minus x bar 2. So this, so x bar 1 minus x bar. Okay. So sorry for disturbance. So internet suddenly fall down. Okay. Which question we are in? We are in 22nd question. Okay. So all of you, can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay, okay. Now, question number 22nd, right? So ZCal is equal to x bar 1 minus x bar 2 divided by standard error of x bar 1 minus x bar 2. So the formula can be also written as like this. Guys, all of you look at that. Model 1, Model 2, Model 3. Question number 22. So all of you remember, so because 68% from model paper only, they can select the setup, the question paper setup. So all of you remember question number 22nd. While going examination, just recall the formula and all. Because printout is already there with you. Please take a Xerox one and start studying. So all model papers are very important for this year, guys. Don't think neglect model. The PU board strictly say that because of result improvement. So all three model paper, they are considered for paper setter. Please remember for this. 2.6 divided by 1.3. So what could be the answer? 2.6 divided by 1.3. So answer is 2. Yeah, 13 twos are 26. Correct. Answer is 2. Okay, 22nd. Answer is 2. The next one, 23rd. Okay, look at the 23rd. They ask for P prime is given. Anybody says standards are known or unknown? Anyone at least. P prime comes under
Standards are known.
P prime comes under left or right? Left side. Okay. P prime is 0.1. So Q prime is 0.9. Apply the formula UCL is equal to NP prime plus. They ask UCL. Okay. 3 into root of NP prime Q prime. Open bracket 40. Sorry, N is 100. Sorry, N is 100. So N is 100 into P prime, how much? 0.1 plus 3 root of. So 100 into 0.1 into 0.9. So what is the UCL answer? Let me see. UCL answer is open bracket 100 into 0.1, close bracket plus 3 root, open bracket 100 into 0.1 into 0.9, close bracket. So I got 19 is an UCL. Correct? Anybody solved? Okay. Yeah, correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 19 is an answer. Now question number 24 also. Yes, we expected this. So shortage cost is given here. So shortage cost C2, C1. Oh, C3 is not given. This question is wrong. Those who are expected, the grace marks will get. Because C2 is given and C1 also there and Q0 also there. There's a printing mistake, I think. Where is C3? Without C3, we can't do formula. Maximum inventory cost. The formula is, this is model 2, of course. C of Q0 S0 is equal to formula 2D C3 C1. So C2 by C1 plus C2. So this is the formula. But there is no C3 here. So ordering cost. And ordering cost not there. Something spelling mistake. Or might be this is considered C3. We can apply model 1 because the shortage cost is not there. What we are change it, right? So this we can't do. Those who are attending 24th question will get a grace mark. Yes. Because C2 is given. So C3 is compulsory also there. But C3 is not there. Oh, just a minute, just a minute. So just a minute. Q0 is given 300. Okay. Q0 is 300. Fine. So C1 is oh, tricky question. Yes, C1 is 10. So C2 is 40. Yes, it is possible to do. Oh, yeah, okay. C of Q0 S0 is equal to root of 2D C3 C1 into root of C2 by C1 plus C2. Yes, this formula is nothing but Q0. Yes, a tricky question. Yes, correct one only. Yes, question.
Sir, they are
Exactly.
they ask maximum inventory level, sir.
Yeah.
S
Max
naught is equal to C2 Q
maximum
naught
inventory
divided by
level.
warehouse
Okay.
level.
Okay. Maximum inventory level, nothing but
S naught is equals to
S naught is equal to C2 Q power naught divided by C1 plus C2. Yes. Question is 100% correct, guys. Yeah, I can't because Q naught is given. Yeah, very nice. So C2 is 40. Little tricky question. 40 into C2 is 40 into 300. Yes, whole divided by C1 is 10 plus C2 is 40. Okay. Now what is the answer? Open bracket. 40 into 300 close bracket divided by 50. Yes, 240 is the answer. So S naught is 240 per year. Yes, question is correct, guys. What we are assumption is wrong. Question is 100% correct. S naught is equal to 240 per year. Okay, guys, the model 1, 2, 3, section B successfully revised is done. Okay, thank you. We'll meet you tomorrow.